Hey my friends, how are you? If you've got a Chinese partner you would like to go to bed with her or him, and you can't see that directly, it's a little bit gross. What is the indirect way, the cute way to see that? I'm going to teach you one phrase. It's very popular here. Very popular for the young people and for the people who are in the river of love. They love each other desperately. Okay, follow me. Pa, 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 pa. Pa, pa means the sound between two things clashing each other. When you are, doing that kind of activity, that sound can be, heard easily. So which means you love each other desperately, deeply. But when you see Papa without any other things, she might not understand you. If you see the whole sentence, 我们 means we, Papa means we do some activities. Ba, yeah, 我们啪啪吧. So you can follow me. 我们啪啪吧. 我们啪啪吧. Normally you can see Papa, 啪啪吧, 啪啪吧. Okay guys, if you like this video, please give me a like. Thank you.